Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to update your relationship status to separated on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC. With Facebook's new update, this has become a quick and straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen where your profile photo is displayed. Click on it to open a drop-down menu or directly access your profile page. Now that you are on your profile, find and click on the About section. This part of your profile holds a lot of personal details, including relationship info, so it's where we need to go. Within the About page, scroll down until you see the Family and Relationships tab. Click on this section, and it will bring up your current family and relationship details. Here, you should see an option to add a relationship status. Click on this to open a list of different relationship statuses you can choose from. From the list, select Separated. This option reflects your current status and lets your friends and followers know about your relationship update. After you select Separated, be sure to click Save to confirm and update your profile with this new information. And that's it. You've successfully updated your relationship status to Separated on your Facebook page using the app on your PC. It's a simple way to keep your profile current and share your life updates with your Facebook community. Thank you for watching.